Question number 1. Northeast India comprises how many states? The correct answer is option C, 8. Question number 2. Which state is known as the brother of 7 other northeastern states in India? The correct answer is option B, Sikkim. Question number 3. Which of the following is the largest northeastern state area-wise? The correct answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 4. Which northeastern state has the highest population? The correct answer is option A, Assam. Question number 5. Which northeastern state has the lowest population? The correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Question number 6. Which of the states was earlier known as Northeast Frontier Agency? The correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 7. In which year did the state of Arunachal Pradesh become a full-fledged state of India? The correct answer is option A, 1987. Question number 8. To which of the following Indian states does the tribe of Nishi belong? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 9. Which among the following states is also known as Orchid State of India? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 10. What is the name of Arunachal Pradesh's first greenfield airport? The correct answer is option C, Doni Polo Airport. Question number 11. Which of the following Indian states is called the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 12. Arunachal Pradesh shares borders with how many neighboring countries of India? The correct answer is option B, 3. Arunachal Pradesh shares borders with 3 neighboring countries. They are Bhutan, China and Myanmar. Question number 13. Which of the following is the easternmost state of India? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 14. Which pass of Arunachal Pradesh is on the tri-junction of India, China and Myanmar? The correct answer is option C, Difu. Question number 15. Sieng, Tirap and Kameng are the rivers found in the state of. The correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 16. The highest peak of Arunachal Pradesh is. The correct answer is option C, Kengtu. Question number 17. McMahon Line is a line which separates China and which Indian state? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 18. In which of the following states are the above hills located? The correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 19. Which is the state flower of Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option D, foxtail orchid. Question number 20. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, Itanagar. Question number 21. What is the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, Mithun. Question number 22. What is the total area of Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option C, 83,743 square kilometer. Question number 23. What is the state bird of Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option A, great hornbill. Question number 24. Namdapha National Park is situated in? The correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 25. Which of the following national park is situated in Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, Mauling National Park. Question number 26. Where is the famous and India's largest Buddhist monastery, Tawang Monastery, located? The correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 27. How many seats are there in Legislative Assembly of Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, 60. Question number 28. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option A, 2. Question number 29. How many seats are allocated to Arunachal Pradesh in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option A, 1. Question number 30. In which year Sikkim became a state of India? The correct answer is option B, 1975. Question number 31. Khangsen Jonga National Park is located in? The correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Question number 32. Phakyang Airport is located in? The correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Question number 33. Which state in India has been declared the first organic farming state? The correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Question number 34. The capital of Sikkim is? The correct answer is option C, Gangtok. Question number 35. What is the total area of Sikkim? The correct answer is option C, 7096 square kilometers. Question number 36. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Sikkim? The correct answer is option C, 1. Question number 37. How many seats are allocated to Sikkim in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option A, 1. Question number 38. How many seats are in Legislative Assembly of Sikkim? The correct answer is option B, 32. Question number 39. Which one of the following is one of the official languages of Sikkim? The correct answer is option A, Lepcha. There are 4 official languages of Sikkim, which are English, Nepali, Sikkimese and Lepcha. Question number 40. What is the state animal of Sikkim? The correct answer is option B, red panda. Question number 41. What is the state bird of Sikkim? The correct answer is option C, blood pheasant. Question number 42. What is the state flower of Sikkim? The correct answer is option D, noble orchid. Question number 43. What is the state tree of Sikkim? The correct answer is option A, rhododendron. Question number 44. What is the state fish of Sikkim? The correct answer is option B, Cooper Mahesir. Question number 45. Where is Kanchenjunga Peak located? The correct answer is option B, Sikkim. Question number 46. How many northeastern states were carved out of Assam? The correct answer is option B, 4. The 4 states which were carved out of Assam are Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 47. Which of the following state was separated from Assam in 1963? The correct answer is option C, Nagaland. Question number 48. What is the capital of Nagaland? The correct answer is option B, Kohima. Question number 49. Presently, how many national parks are there in Nagaland? The correct answer is option C, 1. At present, there is only one national park in Nagaland, Intonki National Park. It is located in Peren district of Nagaland. Question number 50. What is the total area of Nagaland? The correct answer is option B, 16,579 square kilometer. Question number 51. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? The correct answer is option A, Nagaland. Question number 52. How many seats are in Legislative Assembly of Nagaland? The correct answer is option C, 60. Question number 53. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Nagaland? The correct answer is option A, 1. Question number 54. How many seats are allocated to Nagaland in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option A, 1. Question number 55. What is the official language of Nagaland? The correct answer is option D, English. Question number 56. What is the state animal of Nagaland? The correct answer is option B, Mithun. Question number 57. What is the state bird of Nagaland? The correct answer is option C, Blitztragopan. Question number 58. What is the state tree of Nagaland? The correct answer is option C, Alder. Question number 59. What is the state flower of Nagaland? The correct answer is option D, Rhododendron. Question number 60. What is the state fish of Nagaland? The correct answer is option A, chocolate mesir. Question number 61. When was Meghalaya carved out of Assam as a separate state? The correct answer is option C, 1972. Question number 62. What is the capital of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option C, Shillong. Question number 63. What is the total area of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option D, 22,429 square kilometer. Question number 64. Presently, how many national parks are there in Meghalaya? The correct answer is option A, 2. The two national parks in Meghalaya are Balpakram National Park and Nokrek National Park. Question number 65. How many seats are in Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option C, 60. Question number 66. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Meghalaya? The correct answer is option A, 2. Question number 67. How many seats are allocated to Meghalaya in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option D, 1. Question number 68. What is the state tree of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option B, Gomhar. Question number 69. What is the state animal of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option B, clouded leopard. Question number 70. What is the state bird of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option A, hill myna. Question number 71. What is the state flower of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option D, lady's slipper orchid. Question number 72. What is the official language of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option B, English. Question number 73. In which year was Mizoram separated from Assam? The correct answer is option B, 1972. Question number 74. In which year Mizoram became a full-fledged state of India? The correct answer is option D, 1987. Question number 75. What is the capital of Mizoram? The correct answer is option B, Aizawl. Question number 76. What is the total area of Mizoram? The correct answer is option A, 21,081 square kilometer. Question number 77. How many seats are in Legislative Assembly of Mizoram? The correct answer is option B, 40. Question number 78. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Mizoram? The correct answer is option C, 1. Question number 79. How many seats are allocated to Mizoram in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option D, 1. Question number 80. Presently, how many national parks are there in Mizoram? The correct answer is option A, 2. At present, there are 2 national parks in Mizoram. They are Murlen National Park and Phongpui National Park. Question number 81. What is the state tree of Mizoram? The correct answer is option B, Indian rose chestnut. Question number 82. What is the state bird of Mizoram? The correct answer is option A, Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Question number 83. What is the state flower of Mizoram? The correct answer is option C, red vanda. Question number 84. What is the state animal of Mizoram? The correct answer is option B, Himalayan sparrow. Question number 85. What is the state dance of Mizoram? The correct answer is option B, bamboo dance or serau dance. Question number 86. What is the state fish of Mizoram? The correct answer is option A, Burmese kingfish. Question number 87. What is the official language of Mizoram? The correct answer is option A, Mizo. Mizo and English are the official languages of Mizoram. Question number 88. In which year Manipur became a full-fledged state of India? The correct answer is option C, 1972. Question number 89. What is the total area of Manipur? The correct answer is option A, 22,327 square kilometer. Question number 90. What is the capital of Manipur? The correct answer is option B, Imphal. Question number 91. How many seats are in Legislative Assembly of Manipur? The correct answer is option A, 60. Question number 92. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Manipur? The correct answer is option B, 2. Question number 93. How many seats are allocated to Manipur in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option A, 1. Question number 94. Presently, how many national parks are there in Manipur? The correct answer is option A, 2. At present, there are 2 national parks in Manipur. They are Keibul Lamjau National Park and Sirui National Park. Question number 95. What is the state tree of Manipur? The correct answer is option B, Phoebe hainesiana. Phoebe hainesiana is generally known as Uningdao tree or Bonsum tree. Question number 96. What is the state flower of Manipur? The correct answer is option A, Siroi lily. Question number 97. What is the state bird of Manipur? The correct answer is option B, Nongin. Nongin bird is also called Mrs. Hume's pheasant and bar-tailed pheasant. Question number 98. What is the state animal of Manipur? The correct answer is option C, Sengai. Question number 99. What is the state fish of Manipur? The correct answer is option B, Pengba. Question number 100. What is the official language of Manipur? The correct answer is option D, Meiteis. Question number 101. When Tripura became a full-fledged state of India? The correct answer is option B, 1972. Question number 102. What is the capital of Tripura? The correct answer is option C, Agartala. Question number 103. What is the total area of Tripura? The correct answer is option A, 10,492 square kilometer. Question number 104. How many seats are in Legislative Assembly of Tripura? The correct answer is option B, 60. Question number 105. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Tripura? The correct answer is option A, 2. Question number 106. How many seats are allocated to Tripura in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option C, 1. Question number 107. How many national parks are there in Tripura at present? The correct answer is option A, 2. At present, there are 2 national parks in Tripura. They are Bison National Park and Clouded Leopard National Park. Question number 108. What is the official language of Tripura? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Bengali, Kokborok and English are the official languages of Tripura. Question number 109. What is the state bird of Tripura? The correct answer is option A, green imperial pigeon. Question number 110. What is the state tree of Tripura? The correct answer is option C, agar. Question number 111. What is the state animal of Tripura? The correct answer is option A, fierce langur. Question number 112. What is the state flower of Tripura? The correct answer is option C, Nageshwar. Question number 113. What is the state fruit of Tripura? The correct answer is option B, queen pineapple. In 2018, former President of India Sri Ramnath Kovind declared Tripura's queen variety pineapple as state fruit of Tripura. Question number 114. What is the state fish of Tripura? The correct answer is option A, Pebda. Question number 115. What is the capital of Assam? The correct answer is option D, Dispur. Question number 116. What is the total area of Assam? The correct answer is option A, 78,438 square kilometer. Question number 117. Presently, how many national parks are there in Assam? The correct answer is option D, 7. At present, there are 7 national parks in Assam. They are Kaziranga National Park, Manos National Park, Dibru-Soikho National Park, Nameri National Park, Urang National Park and Tiger Reserve, Dihing Patkai National Park and Raimona National Park. Question number 118. How many seats are in Legislative Assembly of Assam? The correct answer is option C, 126. Question number 119. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Assam? The correct answer is option C, 14. Question number 120. How many seats are allocated to Assam in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option D, 7. Question number 121. What is the state bird of Assam? The correct answer is option C, white-winged wood duck. Question number 122. What is the state song of Assam? The correct answer is option A, O Murapunar Desh. Question number 123. What is the state animal of Assam? The correct answer is option B, one-horned rhinoceros. Question number 124. What is the state flower of Assam? The correct answer is option B, foxtail orchid. Foxtail orchid is also known as Kopo Phool in Assam. Question number 125. What is the state tree of Assam? The correct answer is option C, Holong. Question number 126. What is the state dance of Assam? The correct answer is option B, Bihu dance. Question number 127. What is the state festival of Assam? The correct answer is option A, Bihu. Question number 128. What is the state fruit of Assam? The correct answer is option B, Kazi Nemu. On 13th of February 2024, the Assam government declared Kazi Nemu as the state fruit of Assam. The botanical name of Kazi Nemu is citrus lemon. Question number 129. What is the state drink of Assam? The correct answer is option B, tea. In 2012, the Assam government declared tea as the state drink of Assam. Question number 130. What is the state aquatic animal of Assam? The correct answer is option B, Ganges River dolphin. The Ganges River dolphin is locally known as Hihu, and it was declared as state aquatic animal of Assam by the Assam government in 2008, and in 2009 the central government notified it as the national aquatic animal of India. Thanks for watching, and guys, if you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.